What if? When left by themselves are two very common words, but when combined together, what if? These two common words take on a whole new meaning and have the potential to impact and change the world.
What you might think you just watched was a documentary about the building process of a custom spacecraft.
But what you really watched was the beginning of a movement. This is not about the spacecraft. It's not about the YouTube channel.
What this is about is the ability to dream, and our dream is to impact the world, one person at a time, with love and hope, and to maybe, just maybe, inspire you to dream about your what if.
What if you tossed your fears aside of what people might think and follow that dream you have deep inside?
For us, our dream is to mobilize others, to impact the world with you. What you just watched is simply a tool to reach people.
And we're just getting started, and we invite you to come join us.
Can't believe we've come this far, and it feels just like getting started. Somehow we're still running like those kids back then. Scrape some knees and falling down, but somehow we keep getting back up. Long as there is wonder, gonna keep running, yeah, we'll keep running. In this moment, it's electric. Can you see it? Can you feel it? This dream inside is still alive today. Yeah, we're on our way. We're on our way. We're on our way to breaking through. 'Cause we were made for something new. We're on our way. We're on our way. We're on our way to chase our dreams. 'Cause we were made for greater things. Yeah,
welcome to Switch It Up.
How are we going to unite us again? It begins with us. All people will know that you are my disciples if you have love for one another. It's that simple.
What an experience. This is quite amazing. Oh my gosh.
Here's to all the scared and frozen, too afraid of the unknown and second guessing everything you once believed. There's no fear that can bind you. There's no way hope can find you. As long as we have hope, we have everything we need. Yeah, we're on our way.
Perfect time.
We're on our way to breaking through. 'Cause we were made for something.
Welcome to Switch It Up.
We're on our way. We're on our way to chase our dreams. 'Cause we were made for greater things. Yeah, we're on our way. In this moment,
What is your what if?